Now we are going to discuss these basic principles in detail one by one. So the first basic principle of presentation is about creating the thematic world. So now we are going to discuss about how a retailer should create a thematic world in the presentation so that the objective of shelf management can be achieved. So the thematic world should give, there are two major presentation principles which you have to follow. That you have to create powerful presentations and you have to ensure easily handling. So once you create a theme, a thematic world into the store, your two principles are that the powerful presentations would be there and you need to ensure easily handling of these products. For example, if you see the picture in front of you, then this picture, this display is about a product, and then this product is actually giving a complete theme. It is not like placing oil with fruits and vegetables, placing fish with toiletries. So it is a complete theme of particular product. For example, normally once you visit a store, you will see if there is a glass category, then you will see all glass types of glass. Either it is wine glass, it is low bottleneck glass, it is high neck glass, it is ice cream glass. So every kind of glass, every kind of cup will be there in a proper thematic way. So the objective of the retailer is to create a complete theme of presentation so that customer will be involved in that theme. It will be attractive enough for him to make the decision of buying the product. And the second principle is about allow an open atmosphere. So the objective of the retailer is also to create an open atmosphere. So the customer should be able to see the whole department in one way. Especially if you talk about the study, the research study, which says that if the store is in a position that the customer can see the whole store in one glance, then it is an ideal situation because the customer will have a very strong way. Same is the case for the whole department. If the customer is visiting fruits and vegetable department, he should be able to see whole department. Of course, maybe he will be there to buy one product, but the display of the whole product, the visibility, the open atmosphere of the whole department will convince him, will appeal him to buy more from this department. Maybe there will be some products which actually he has not planned, but now he'll be able to buy once he will see this whole department. So three major powerful presentation principles with respect to this point, that you need to create visually appealing displays. So the displays should be attractive enough for your eyes. So visibly they are very attractive. Then you need to use appropriate equipment. As an example, if you see here that there is a proper palletized area. So proper pallets are used to display these products. In this example, where their fish is displayed, there are proper racks on which the fish is displayed. So proper equipment should be used to display this product. And the third presentation principle in this segment is about choosing the right location for the right product. So even if you want to do the cross merchandising, you have to be careful about the right location of the right product. So if it is fish segment, so all fish category products should be available in this segment, and this area, there should not be any such product where there is a contamination issue, because if there is a food contamination or cross contamination, of course would be problematic for the customer also and problematic for the retailer also. So this second basic principle was allowing an open atmosphere. If you have the open atmosphere in your store, of course you will be able to have more attraction for the customer from the visibility perspective, which will convert customer into a buying customer.